Hi, my name is Milton. I'm not a Great Dane, but my friends from the Mount Carmel area junior high school stopped by Great Dane's plant to find out what's so cool about manufacturing trailers. Let's check in with Michael and see what they found out.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
What's cool about manufacturing is at the end of the day, we get to see what we produce. We take a bunch of components that are laid out in various different locations, we put them together, and at the end of a shift, we have 13 completed trailers that are ready to go to the customer.
I like the fact that we were starting something from basically nothing, and by the time we were done with it, we had this whole big 53-foot trailer, which I thought was really neat.
Ever since I was a little boy, I always enjoyed building things, and I worked construction for a good period of my life, worked in other manufacturing facilities, and now here at Great Dane, which God willing, I'll retire from here. So yeah, building stuff is cool.
When you picture a product or something that you see out in the street, you just don't know how it's made. And all the machinery that is utilized, all the tools that is utilized, the engineering that went behind it, what kind of design it was made, and why there's a reason why we make this product.
I come from a background that has nothing to do with manufacturing. So when I came in here, I had no clue how to use the tools, no clue what they did. So when I got hired, I got to watch the trailer basically appear out of nowhere. They started with the walls, and then they put the body together, they set it on a floor. Being able to watch it from nothing become something I found very interesting.
The growth involved in what I've had to learn in order to accomplish tasks has really, I think, not just been beneficial to me at work, but in life. What I've learned and the maturity that I've gone through has been great.
Just seeing the team work together, build the skills of each other, help each other stay safe through that whole process. I think just watching all that happen each day and then seeing the product go out on the road and being able to see that as you're out on the road yourself and understanding that you were a part of that process, I think that's what's cool about manufacturing.
Thanks, Great Dane, for giving us a tour of your plant and showing us how you make trailers.